Vietnam, Vietnam. Everybody's crying about Vietnam. Vietnam, Vietnam.
Hey Fruit Faces, so it's me. I am coming to you today at about 5:30. I haven't even changed out of my work clothes, which is actually really weird. I'm really hungry right now, and I don't really want to mess up today like I did yesterday. Let's see, my house is a little bit of a mess, but I do have some things that are ready to go, so I'm just going to make a quick smoothie. My son just made one for once. I told him to just drink his own. I've been drinking his. He's been making me some like every day, and I'm so proud. I love it. They're just getting better at cleaning up, and they're really making me proud. So yay, keep on harping on your kids. Don't give up. They will learn someday. Take it from me. Okay, so here again is where prep comes so in handy, because there's so many things I can just grab and munch on. And if you don't have something ready, you will grab what's ready. I'm sorry. It's not just that you like snacks. Your body just wants to eat now. Actually, I had a few pieces of cilantro that were not chopped up in my smoothie today, and it tasted so good. Anyway, I haven't done my green juice at all, which kind of sucks. I mean, I had some, I guess yesterday I had green juice. The green was in the orange and the carrot. So, whoa. Okay, that was a lot. There's blueberries in there. This is like basically a whole bag of blueberries. So I'm going to try to find some spinach and put it in here, but I am going to put some cilantro in here. Again, this is the medical medium smoothie. It's not the medical medium smoothie. It's just my simplified medical medium smoothie is blueberries, spinach, cilantro. If you have spirulina, and maybe a little more cilantro since I might not have the spinach. No, I don't have the spinach. Munching on one whole Brazil nut. I'm ready to throw a quick salad together real fast and have a smoothie and a salad together. Let's get this done. Let's see how fast we can do this here. Some bananas. Oh, bananas is the other thing. You see what I'm doing? I'm like so hungry. I'm going back and forth between whether I want to make the salad first or the smoothie. Okay, so we have, these aren't the ripest bananas, but they're not as non-ripe as they used to be. Most bananas definitely better when spotted. That's when they're ripe. I'll just put 2 in for now since they're not super duper ripe. So we're going to just take our little thing from Amazon. I love this thing. It is nice and handy. So first things first, you know, if you really want to make a powerhouse out of this smoothie, it would be good with hemp seeds, but I like to keep my fat super low, especially in the winter when I'm not working out as much. I feel like we definitely need some water in here too. Okay, look at that, how nice and pretty that is. Yummy. Actually, it doesn't look like it looks good, but from here it looks really good. Okay. So look, it just happens to match. It just matches, you guys. Oh, pretty. Yum. And this had cinnamon and sugar in it as well with the berries. Initially, when I first, it would be better if it was fresh, completely fresh, but this is basically water, fruit blended. Not even fully blended, but blended. And then I added the fresh cilantro. Forgot the spirulina. So what? All I added was cilantro. I feel like this would be really good with lemon. It'd be like a lemon, almost like a lemonade, like a green berry lemonade. I don't know. It's really good though, and the cilantro, to me, it isn't weird at all. Yum. So yeah, if you have little kids or something, trying to get the greens in, remember, just blend some up in here. Blend it up good. Use less amount. Even this cheaper blender has a green smoothie setting and it works really well. So see, veganism isn't just for the rich. Ask me. Just tell people, if you have anybody ask you about that, how to save money or whatever, just send them to me because I think I'm pretty qualified. But anyway, yum. I'm so glad to have this quick. I mean, that's the one thing here. It's coming through with the fruit and being able to drink your calories as a raw vegan. So great because you can get them in fast. You can get a lot of calories in fast. It's like a must, I feel like. And most of the time it's easier to do that with fruit. And it's a lot faster with fruit, again, because you don't have to like season it up and stuff like that. I'm going to take some of the salad out for the boys before I eat it all. Cilantro on top. I have leftover peppers in numerous places. Everybody's got peppers. So we have lovely salad here and lovely salad here. Okay, so they've got onions that I've kind of chopped up prep-wise just for them to have onions on whatever they haven't even making, whether it's beans and rice, whether it's a soup. But if I make little batches and like flavor it up differently, like make the beans all at once and then just like use the beans. And I even froze some of the beans. So you can pull them out later, go different ways with the beans. I'm always eating like Asian curries and stuff with beans in it. Like it doesn't matter. Your protein source doesn't have to be specific. We put beans in our pasta. My dad does cannellini beans a lot. We do that here. Even with just pinto beans, I'll make like some sort of minestrone or something like that. You can actually make an Alfredo out of beans. So yeah, that's all pretty awesome. I think I'm just going to eat right now. Just eat some salad. Maybe not this huge bowl right this minute. I'm just going to drink my smoothie. I'm going to eat and kind of get on with my evening a little bit. And so for my salad dressing right now, you know what? In times like this, I'm really not opposed to using a jarred salad dressing, a fat-free vegan salad dressing like I've been using. I love my fat-free dressings, and if I really was craving one, or if I was in a pinch and I wanted to eat a big salad but I didn't want to make a dressing, absolutely. I just want to make this clear on Raw Till Weekend or Routinely Raw or whatever this is that I'm doing. I would absolutely use that if I felt like it. I don't actually think I have any real salad dressing right now, but it's kind of just the same as like whipping up something. Let's say I wanted to, let's just whip up something right now. Let's say I've actually got something in my blender. Okay, I actually do have an extra jug, but it's way upstairs and I'm not going to get it and I don't want to use it. What I want to do again is just kind of make it in here. So I know that's clean. So what we're going to do is just add some different flavors. Okay, I'm going to add actually a little bit of this liquid aminos for some salt, just a little bit though, because I really don't like too much salt and I really don't like too much of that kind of salt especially. And then we're going to put some nooch in here, just kind of eyeball a couple of tablespoons or so. Definitely, I'm a garlic girl. Gotta add some garlic. What kind of dressing should I make this? It's got lemon and salt, basically. Putting some paprika in there. I think I'm just gonna do kind of basic, actually. Okay, so we want lemon, we want sour, we want something kind of sweet, perhaps. So I'm actually gonna put a splash of milk into it, because our milk is actually, I know this isn't raw either, but you know, it's got the calcium. It's got the calcium, and you know, not that I'm deficient on calcium, especially when I'm raw. Gosh, I can't even imagine being deficient on anything when you're eating enough whole fresh raw foods. It's like, wow, this is really, it really is the key. I think it really is the key to weight loss. You know, I really do feel like the backup plan is necessary. Just like Harley says, you guys, I do feel like it's necessary, but I do also feel like raw is the ultimate. So in a perfect world, yeah, if you could do it all easily without any strain or stress, yeah, be 100% raw. But for the majority, especially in the beginning when you're first transitioning over, I'm assuming. You know, and all of this stuff, you got to learn how to do it. You got all these issues, you know, climate, money, habit, everything put together. It's like, yikes, you know? So I'm not sure how well this is going to work. But that's just the way I feel. Ooh, some peanut butter. Almost making this like a sweet and sour with peanut butter would be good. Holy shit. That is really fucking good. So, you know, as long as you get a balance of flavors. Usually I like to do a sour, a sweet, a salty, something that's just flavorful, like if you have like a main flavor, like tomatoes or something, sun-dried tomatoes is good. And then what's the other one? Sweet, sour, salty, savory, like umami flavoring, and then just like I said, like whatever is your actual flavoring. So I need a bowl that's big enough, but that's not too big. I don't usually eat out of this bowl, but I'm gonna take the darkest lettuce first. Got the most nutrients, and it's gonna go bad the fastest. So really just a super basic salad right now to tide me over, and I'm having it with the fruit, which of course is good food combining. The nut that I ate before the fruit might not be that good of food combining, but I feel like berries, since they're a little bit higher in fat naturally, that it doesn't really matter as much maybe with them. That's why berries are so good with peanut butter. Oh, this was really good. It's just like nuchy and salty, and it's, you know, the garlic, when you get the garlic flavors in there with the lemon, like literally you can't go bad with just those 4 things. So it's not like the thickest, most creamiest thing in the world, but hey, it actually tastes really good and quite like potent. Mmm. 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 You guys, I just accidentally made like the best dressing. It's so good. Wow. It is so simple. And I think a lot of times if your food isn't good, a lot of times the reason, unless you like accidentally dump like a whole case of something in there, or a whole jar of some bad spice, or completely forget something, it's usually just a lack of spices. It's just this like people not seasoning their food enough. So I don't know whether it's money or just habit or whatever. But yeah, that's my recommendation. Just add more and do a balance. Like add a little bit again of each. Like if you're trying to balance it out, you know, just alter it a little bit, taste it, alter it a little bit, taste it. I'm no expert, but I like to think I keep myself pretty well fed. So I had a little refill on the salad, and then still finishing up the drink. So there's at least one head of lettuce in here. Romaine. I just remade the dressing. Tried to remake it, but I put a little too much liquid aminos, but it's still really good. I mean, liquid aminos and nooch, it's like my favorite thing in the world. So yep, I'm just going to munch on this. I know I'll be hungry after this, but it's still early. So, yeah, I'm excited. I finished off all the dressing with like 2 little mini salads, and this one's like probably bigger than both of those combined. So this will keep me going for a little bit. And the red peppers help too. And you know, the nooch has some carbs. Yum, 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 yum. All right, hey guys, so I finished my salad up a little while ago. I actually went back to add even more salad, just a little bit I had. Oh, pretty much that bunch that was chopped up for the kids, I pretty much ate that. Let them off the salad hook. They're eating other veggies. So now I'm having dates. I already had 3, 4...
Vietnam, Vietnam. Everybody's crying about Vietnam. Vietnam, Vietnam.
Hey fruit faces, it's me. It is about bedtime. Let's see, I hit my goal, almost 10:30, and just finished up a whole, I don't know, what is this, 26, 28 ounces? Again, that was lots of berries, water, a little bit of sugar, spinach, bananas. So, feeling pretty full. I can tell my fats were a little bit higher today. And so I really don't feel as satisfied because I don't feel like I've had enough carbs. Fat, just goes right through you. It just doesn't fill up your glycogen stores. I guess I'm gonna brush my teeth and get ready for bed now. It's been a good day. We were all sort of hoping for another snow day tomorrow because we're to the point we've had so many snow, ice, cold days. If we have another one, it's gonna be a freebie. We don't have to make it up. And then only every other one, after this one. I feel like I have blueberries on my face. Yeah, even though we've had 2 Wednesdays in a row of snow or ice days, still kind of looking forward to another one. But yeah, I feeling really good. That's all I can really say. I feel like I'm home again. I really feel like I'm going to really just start to just stay raw over the weekends and not come out of it as much as I thought I would. Maybe really intentionally create one meal a week, and if I have leftovers, I'll eat it. Maybe I'll do Saturday night dinner type of thing, and I'll just cook or buy, the best possible food that I can. And I really think this is all kind of a function of minimalism too, because it's like, instead of, oh, bulk, it's all about more, this is like, well, I can handle a little bit less, and we're going to make it better quality. So, I'm really excited about that, and I do feel like it's just so much easier to do gradually. Like, if you're going vegan, just do it, if you can. I mean, I didn't really do that. I went flexitarian, then vegetarian. Do whatever works, but if at all possible, just jump into it. But as far as raw veganism, ooh, that takes a minute. That definitely takes some transition time. But I'm feeling so good. I just feel like my gut feels great. Clear-headed. The detox has slowed down. You guys, I know I didn't really talk about it, but I had some acne here, and I believe that is hormonal, if I remember correctly. Have you guys seen a chart or something like that? It is interesting with as healthy as I've been for these past 5 years, as healthy as I thought I was, think I am, to go through that much of a detox, just from going raw on celery juice. Like, it's like, wow. It kind of wakes you up and you're like, whoa. I know I've been detoxing. Like, I can tell. And I think that was part of it, the actual detoxification process, But yeah, it just makes you think back on your whole life and all the damage you've done. Realize that, just going vegan, yeah, I lost 15 pounds, had some big changes. Candida gone, all this stuff gone. So it is big, but it isn't. Again, those dualities of life. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know, I just ate the apples, ate all the, oh man, I was almost so stuffed after the dates, and I was still jumping. I was like, oh my gosh, I probably only needed 7 instead of 8 dates. Those dates are really good though from Sprouts. Not too bad, but I still prefer Costco. And I'm going to get there soon as this weather clears up. I got to get back there and get me some more frozen fruit, more bananas, more dates. I'm just going to be fruitarian. Fruitary Clary.